Hi children, good morning everyone. This is our English class. You are all children of class 3, right? So, what we discussed in last class, we talked about Mala goes to school as well as we were discussing about is, am, are. Yes, we discussed about is, am, are also, and also how to describe a person. Yes, how to describe a person using describing words. This also we talked. As children? Yeah. So then what else were discussed? And you have done the worksheets. Yes, good. Okay. One day you have did, one day you did not do. So I hope everyone should do the worksheets and send me to the WhatsApp without fail. Okay, children? So today's our topic is already we discussed about adjectives. Yes, describing words are only called as adjectives. Yes, everyone know that. What are adjectives? Describing words are only called as adjectives. Okay, next. We will go back to the story. Zippy. What is that story name? Anybody remembers? Yeah.
Zippy and the blue kite.
Zippy and the blue kite.
Blue kite.
Okay, the story name is Zippy and the Blue Kite only. Yeah, the story name is The Blue Kite. So we are moving on to our block 3. Okay, children. What is our block 3 story name or lesson name? The Blue Kite. What is our block 3 lesson name? The Blue Kite. Okay. What happened in the Blue Kite story, you know? There are so many colorful kites if you open page number 23 and see. 22 and 23. So many beautiful kites are there in the sky. Yes, can you see them? So in 23 page, what happened? What is there in the page number 23? Can you see? In the picture? What is there, children?
It's many colorful kites.
Okay, there are many colorful kites. In third page number 23.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 23, this picture, what is there in this picture? Who are they? What is this?
Birds.
Birds, okay, birds. Birds are, who are near the birds? Who are looking at the birds? Which is looking at the bird? Which is looking at the bird?
This is a zippy. Blue kite.
Yeah, the blue kite is looking at the birds. So what happened, shall we see? After that, what happened? See, turn the page and look at the picture. After that, what happened? The expression of the blue kite, how it is? Surprised. Something happened like that. Yes? Yes? Then what happened? You look into your book. No book lo chudu. So it was surprised. Then what happened after that? It is blue kite is flying with the
Sky.
yes? Yeah, in the sky. And what happened in this picture? In this picture, what is there?
This
Guess.
is the wood.
Komal Krishna, what are you doing? look at the board. Look at this book. So what it is doing? It is talking to the owl. Yes? Guess.
Yes.
Choose a guess in. So it is talking to the owl. What happened in the next picture?
Zippy is a top wool.
Zippy is talking to the owl. Okay. Zippy is talking to the owl. Okay.
Yes.
Next picture. What happened in the next picture? Where is Zippy? In the sky.
Many
In the sky.
days, many nights.
Where it is flying? On the forest. On the forest, on the trees. Okay. Next picture, what happened? Where the Zippy is flying?
Sea.
Flying on the seas, flying above the sea. Zippy is flying above the sea. Next, what happened here? Zippy is flying above the forest near pandas.
Animal.
Yeah, some animals. Okay. Then what happened at last year?
There many colorful kites
Yeah, there are many colorful kites
and different shapes.
and different shapes. Very good. So, how is Zippy's expression here? See?
Zippy is there, my laughing.
Yeah, Zippy is happy. Zippy is smiling. Zippy is very, very happy. So, why it is happy? Do you know? We don't know. So, to know that, we have to read the story. Turn the page.
Zippy they see many colorful shapes in the sky.
Okay, turn the page. What is happening here? What is Zippy doing in this picture? Can you guess?
Zippy sees yellow and red dragonfly kite. Beautiful.
Okay. So Zippy saw a dragon kite as well as which kite here? A
Pink color butterfly shaped kite.
pink color butterfly kite. Okay. So what it is doing with them? It is talking. Then what happened at last? We don't know. We have to see the story.
Dragon kite talks.
So now what you have to do, you have to come back to page number 23 again. Very good, Manojna. You guessed very nicely. Okay? Guessed very well. So to Manojna, I will give you some star.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, today I can't use board, so I'm saying good. Okay, you have done very well. Okay, Manojna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So మనం ఇప్పుడు గెస్ట్ చేసింది కరెక్ట్ రాంగ్ ఎలా తెలవాలి we have lesson. Okay, you guessed it beautifully, there is no doubt. So we will cross check is whether it is correct or not. Okay children. Okay children. So what is our lesson name? It is Zippy the Blue Kite. So, Zippy the Blue Kite, what happened in the beginning, children? In the beginning, what happened? In the beginning of the story, as you said, Blue Kite was flying in the sky. Kites, where they will fly? In the sky only, right? So, when Blue Kite was flying in the sky, it saw birds talking. What are the birds' name? You know, goose. Okay, some goose are talking. Goose are talking. Zippy was hearing them slowly. What they are talking. So, what the goose are talking? Do you know? Don't know. They're talking. You know, they're talking about the. They were talking about the.
Talking about the birds.
They are talking about the colorful kites in China. So Blue Kite felt sad. Like them, and they are not talking about me, but they are talking about so many colorful kites with bright colors in China. Different shapes, different colors. The goose are talking about beautiful kites from China. So we thought today I have to fly to compulsory. I have to go to China. I have to fly to China to see all the beautiful kites. That's what it did. It started flying, started its journey to fly, keep on flying to China until it reached China. So whether it reached China or not, we will see. So when it was flying in the sky, what happened? It was very, it don't know the way to China. Does a kite know a way to China? No. So when it was flying, it met an owl. It saw an owl. As we said, we saw in the picture, right? So it met an owl there. Owl was sitting on a pine tree. So it asked, how far is China still? Then owl told, China is very far. So you have to fly through the thick forest, tall blue seas, tall mountains, as well as blue seas. Okay. Then Zippy thought, oh my god, so much time is there, so much long journey I had to do. Zippy started to fly because it want to reach to China. It flies on the mountains and thick forests. As the owl said, it started flying on the thick forests and mountains, tall mountains. Then it went to, it flied over blue sea, deep blue sea, where whales are also there. Okay. Then, then slowly it came near to China. So she sees the Great Wall of China near the mountain valleys and also the giant pandas. Giant means big. Giant means what, children? Big. So it sees big pandas. Here what is there? Pandas. Okay. These are pandas. Actually they're koalas. Okay. Pandas. They are pandas. Then it thought I came near China because it has seen the Great Wall of China. Okay? Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then after that, what happened? Finally Zippy went to, there you can see so many
Colorful kites.
properly.
Colorful kites and shapes.
Colorful kites and shapes. Yeah, finally, did it reach its goal? Did it reach China? Yes. Finally, Zippy reached to China. As you can see, it saw all the beautiful kites in China and very happy. So many different shapes are there here in the kite festival. So see frog shape, Mickey Mouse shape, yes, scary devil shape, fish shape kite. So all the different shapes of kites are there in China. So after that, what happened? Zippy went near one dragon kite and butterfly kite, and they both are talking. So what did it say? That big dragon kite with yellow color. It told, Zippy, you are looking beautiful. You are looking very beautiful, says the dragon kite. If we were also good and simple like you, it would have been more nice. But we thought it is not so good. What did dragon kite say? You are more good. You are simple and very beautiful. Even butterfly kite was telling, we also have a shape like you, simple shape like you. It would have been looked very nice. So children, so the other kites agree. All the kites started telling, yes, Zippy is a beautiful kite. It is looking simple and neat and beautiful. We are having big shapes, so many colors, but we don't look good. But very beautiful, even you are having only one color and one shape. Yes? So Zippy started feeling very happy because Zippy was thinking always it is very not looking good. It is not looking good. It is a boring kite. The kite is not good. So it is feeling bad. But after meeting the dragon kite and butterfly kite, she felt very happy because they said you are the beautiful kite because you are simple and good. So in last page, if you can see, here there are some lines. Zippy looks at herself, then she starts feeling happy. Zippy looks at herself. She's a lovely blue, like the deep blue sea. Her shape is simple, but it makes her look smart. And she is strong too. She can fly all the way to China. Feels proud of herself. How does Zippy feels, children? Proud of herself. How does Zippy feels? Zippy feels proud of herself. The kites in China are amazing, but she is amazing too. So what did Zippy say at the last? Kites in China are amazing, are beautiful, but at the same time, I am also very beautiful. I am means Zippy. Zippy is also very beautiful. Okay? Okay, children, understood the story? Who are the characters in the story?
Many colorful kites and Zippy.
Zippy, many colorful kites, as well as in many colorful kites, who are there? Dragon kite, butterfly kite,
Yellow
goose. Goose also, the birds. Starting birds with, we talked about birds, right? So birds are also
and big
characters.
pandas. And big pandas.
Big pandas did not talk in the story. Okay? When story, we should talk about them only as characters. Okay? As well as owl talked, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
But main characters are Zippy. Who is the main character in the story? Zippy is the main character in the story. Komal Krishna. Who is the main character in the story? Who is the main character in the story? Komal Krishna. Zippy.
Zippy.
Zippy, the blue kite. Okay, our story name is the blue kite. At least try to listen at least now. Okay. వినడానికి try చేయొచ్చు. Okay now. I'm revising the lesson. So what happened at the beginning of this story, children? Good Kiriti, Zippy only. What happened in the beginning of this story? We heard the blue. Some birds are talking. What they are talking? They are talking about the beautiful kites in China. So Zippy fell to fly to China. So Zippy flew over all mountains, thick forests, above the deep blue sea, reached to China. Okay. There Zippy met whom? She met a dragon kite and a butterfly kite. Okay, children? After meeting dragon kite and butterfly kite, what did Zippy do? The two kites told Zippy is very simple and beautiful. They also want to be like Zippy. Understood, children? So, Komal Krishna,
Yes, teacher.
where did Zippy go? Zippy ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది?
China. China.
చైనా. చైనాలో ఏ కైట్స్ తో జిప్పి మాట్లాడింది? Say Manognya.
Talk to dragon kite and birds.
Butterfly kite in China. In China it talks to China, but birds are not there. In China it talks to dragon kite and butterfly kite. Okay, children? At last, how did Zippy feel? Zippy felt proud of herself. Okay, children? Zippy proud of herself. Repeat. How did Zippy feel? Zippy feels proud of herself. Okay, children?
Zippy is the main character of story.
Okay. Okay, children, so then that's all for our class today. You will get worksheet on this. You study the meanings also from textbook. Okay? Do the worksheet and don't forget to send me through the WhatsApp. Okay? Bye-bye.